Hey guys, it's Shane here with Brick Driven Realty. Today we're going to talk about a topic I was recently asked about when it comes to home inspections. Stay tuned. So, what are three main things that home inspectors look for? Do you know what a home inspector looks for when they visit a property? Home inspectors will investigate every nook and cranny from the foundation to the roof to find anything that might jeopardize the effect of the property's value. Here are the main things that they will check. Roof. Right? Inspectors are going to look for leaks, damaged or missing shingles, and any type of moss growth. They're also going to look for any problems with the flashing, gutters, vents, attic ventilation, and skylights if your home has those. Make sure that everything is watertight so that you don't run into any major issues. Next, they're going to look at the structure. The foundation of the home should be solid and be able to stand the test of time. The inspector will usually check for cracks in the foundation, any water damage to the siding or the supports. Last but not least, utilities, the HVAC, the filtration, plumbing, and electrical systems. These will all be thoroughly inspected to make sure they are in working order and have no safety compromises. If they're damaged or faulty, you should find out exactly how much it's going to cost to repair or replace those. This is Shane Kilby with Brick Driven Realty. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions about home values, you want to look at what your home might bring in today's market, or you want to take a look at any other houses that might be out there on the market that have an interest for you, please don't hesitate to reach out to myself or any of our agents here at our company. We thanks so much and have a very blessed day. Bye-bye.